You can't spell cat without A.
Without a what?
Without A.
Without a what?
It was not a goal.
The ball must touch the net for it to count as a goal.
MFS born in December, still waiting for their birthday.
How are they born in December, if the pregnancy only takes 9 months?
Why did the prisoner choose the bread instead of the key? If you know the answer, you're a philosopher.
The prisoner chose the bread over the key because his immediate need for survival outweighed his desire for freedom when basic needs.
Because bread tastes better than key.
A man choose that way.
Why would he want H2O if there's water, even if it's farther away?
Yeah, but H1 is water in Spanish, I think.
Ends with O.